Video we will see how to convert the Frigidaire gas stove to a propane LP kit installed, Orifice swap and the regulator. So the step 1, you can turn off the main gas and supply valve and unplug the stove or the switch of the circuit breaker. Then remove the burner grates and the burner cap and burner head from the top of the stove. Then use a nut driver to remove the natural gas orifices from the each burner. Then install the smaller LP propane from the conversion kit and then tighten them gently. Then after in the step 5, you can open the oven door and remove the bottom oven panel to access the oven burner. Then replace the oven burner orifice with the LP orifice from the kit. Then pull the stove slightly forward and locate the gas pressure regulator at the back. Then remove the regulator cap and flip the insert from NAT to LP and tighten the cap back securely. And in the step 9, you can reinstall the oven panel burner, head cap and graters. Then turn the gas supply back on and plug the stove back in, and then light each burner and check the flame. The flame should be steady and mostly blue. Goodbye.